welcome back to my channel Kyra. Today I'm going to tell you about this cute lovely kitchen. Here kitchen name Kids, but from my side this kitchen's name is Kyra and Pari Lovely Kitchen. So today I'm going to tell you about this lovely kitchen. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a shed of our kitchen, and this is buttons, and this is like this design. Look, if we will press this and we will keep this here, coffee will come from here, and we can put here cup or glass. Here is my cups, and here is my dad's salads. It is salads, and here is for my cutie princess cup and some juice. And here is our snack basket. Look how many snacks we have here. Look, we have one unicorn snack also. Look here. Oh, look there. Oh, just come. Here it is. Look, unicorn. So friends, this kitchen is very good. Look from here. Are you able to look? Look from here. Look this color. This color is so good. These are also snacks, and these are salts. This is salts. This is one drinking one, and this is mixed veg. This is black pepper and some chili, and we have here cloves. And over here there is one utensil name in French. I can tell you. Everyone know in English, Hindi. In French I can tell you. You naughty. In Hindi, French, there is called you naughty, and in English French, there is called you pa. And in French I can tell you call. In Hindi you call, and in English you pal. You call. You call in Hindi French. You pal in English French. Look. And this is gas. This closed now. Look, you can. This is like this button. Like this only. It is very dirty. And look, I have one soap and two soaps. One soap also, and one and cute soap. I am throwing it. I have thrown it now. Look from here. So it is so good. That soap is very dirty. And these are some fishes. And these are some cakes in my kitchen. And this is water. This is oil. And these are plates. And this is grapes. And this is one cloth to dry like this to wipe these plates or utensils, and this is to clean our kitchen. We can keep on this shelf or this shelf. We can also keep on this shelf or on this shelf. Look, this is a cupboard. Look, this pizza and chicken. Look how chicken is in chicken. Apple, cherry, oranges, and look, everything. Let's open it. This is menu, and this is chicken. That is pizza, French fries, bread, and this is also bread. This is home bread. That is out bread, and this is a Santa lollipop, Pop-It candy, and these are some biscuits. Enough. And we also have unicorn one magic stick. Look, we have magic over here. Unicorn. Let us first pick up this outside bread and keep it. And now we can keep this unicorn one also. Oh, it is such a naughty unicorn. Unicorn? No, it is not. Now my kitchen has nothing to tell. Now tell me in comment box, how do you like this kitchen? Do you like this kitchen or not? Look from side. If you like this, tell me in comment, or like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye.